Hi, I'm Christine from House of Smocking, and this is step 2 of how to make up a smock dress. In this video I'm going to show you how to add piping and also the front yoke. So as you can see from here, I've got my thread and a pin marking the centre of my dress and a pin marking the centre of my piping. And the most important thing is that you match these centres. So I pin that into there and then pin there to there. And now you can see that I've tacked the piping in place. I'm now using the zipper foot to attach the piping, and I've increased the stitch length slightly to 2.5. What you can do when you've attached the piping is to snip off the little ends just to take the thickness from the very edge of the piping. Once again, we attach the yoke, the front yoke, by marking the centre, always mark from the centre, and then pin outwards. Okay. So here I'm attaching the yoke, and I've tacked my yoke to my piping, and I'm using my zipper foot, but this time I'm getting right into the groove. I'm feeling the piping as I sew along, and I'm getting as close as possible as I can into that groove, so I'm just doing it by feel. You can also see that I'm using the edge of the foot to line up with the edge of the piping. And here we have the yoke attached with the piping in between. If when you do your first row of stitching and you fold the yoke back and you can maybe see stitches from the piping, just go over it again, just fold it down and do another row just over the section to neaten it up. So don't be satisfied with your first attempt if you've got little stitches showing. And there we have how to make up the front of the dress. See my next video for working on the back of the dress.